Sorry. Okay guys, now I try to update the real station at the moment in Kuta area in the afternoon. But I can say sorry because the wind is so strong, so that's why my voice will be not so clear. But I just want to show you how the real station at the moment in Kuta area on live streaming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Sorry, my motorbike just get broken. Okay guys, now we are in Kuta area. I just want to explore how the situation at the moment in Kuta area. But I'm gonna say sorry because the wind so strong, so that's why my voice is not so clear on this video. But I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. Okay, now I start to drive in along Raya Kuta Street, Kuta Beach Street, yeah. Okay, this is the gate in to go to Kuta Beach. It's a beautiful gate. And also, I'm going to say sorry because my mobile phone is not a stabilizer. But I hope you enjoy this video. Hard Rock Hotel? Hard Rock Cafe, yeah? Sorry. This is Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah, they are open and some car parking at the front. The Hard Rock Cafe, that's good. Okay, now we continue driving in Kuta Beach Street. Yeah, I have to drive in slow actually because the wind is too strong. You see left side? There is a lot motorbike parking. They go to Kuta Beach. It's busy, isn't it? Okay, the Mercure Hotel. There's a lot of car parking there. Look busy, isn't it? That's good. Okay, we continue driving in Kuta Beach Street. And also that tourist there. That's really good. I'm gonna say sorry, my voice is not so clear because the wind around here on the beach is so fast, so strong. Kuta back, left side, right side, sorry. So this is the real station at the moment in Kuta Beach Street. Yeah, that is Kuta Beach. Sunset just been down actually. Okay, continue. Sorry, the signal was stopped for a few seconds. There is a lot of motorbike parking left side. They are good. The signal is broken down. Okay, we keep continue driving on Kuta Beach Street. It is so busy today. And if you see the right side, there is Beach Walk Mall, the biggest mall in Kuta Bali. And also this mall very famous, so that's why in this mall I was busy during on the weekend. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you see, there is a lot of motorbike parking here. Rosalina, yeah. You see right side? There is the gate in to go to Beach Walk Mall. And looks so busy up there. There's a lot of people there. It's look very busy. Oh, sorry. The signal was broke down. Okay. Yeah, we already passed actually. This looks so busy, isn't it? Okay, we continue driving in Kuta Beach Street. This looks so busy around here. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Kuta Beach Street. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.